This little thing right here, inside this box, it actually hits a lot harder than I ever expected. If you don't have one of these, what are you waiting for? This is one of those mini massage guns that if you have a leg cramp, arm cramp, or any type of back joint, or just sore from the tired day, you see how that works? You just kick it right in. Now this case right here, I love this case. It's so cool. You have all the different type of attachments. I kind of using this flat head right here, but if I'm really got like a knot right here on the shoulder, this guy gets the job done as well. I don't really use this one a whole ton, although I have seen a lot of people do this one. It's just, I use this at the gym where I've laid on and rolled on it, and maybe I could try that. And this one I use if I have an extra person just to come down the spine, right? I can't hit that with this attachment. I can't hit my spine, so there's an extra person behind me that wants to do this. But this one right here, this one gets my legs and my arms really good. All right, to turn it on, you just press and hold just like that. How quiet is that? It's not loud at all. If you have this at work under your desk, if you start cramping up, you can just grab this and stick that right on your leg. If you're like me and you get Charlie horses like this all the time, if you get Charlie horses in here, drink more water. That's what everybody tells me. But secondly, this is going to take that out right away. And you can just see that just working that calf right there. It really does. It's like the only thing for me that's going to get that Charlie horse done and out of the way. It is USB-C right there, so that's an awesome plus, and it does have a place for a string if you wanted to hook that up. I don't usually use that, but you can if you wanted to put like a string and a wrist thing on there. But I just love the portability and flexibility of this guy right here. And oh, you see that? Blah, 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 blah. That's how I feel after a few minutes, like Jello. Just, it really does take the cramping and everything away. It just gives you a full massage. And if you want to feel relaxed and feel awesome, treat yourself right here to a little mini massager like this.